Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to MT Paradise. So today's video, we're going to be replacing the weather trim on the windows of all four sides. And you guys can actually pick up these parts. It's super cheap. You can pick them up on Amazon. There's going to be a link in the description down below. And this is my 2010 Toyota Corolla, but it's also going to be compatible for these years right here. But let's go ahead and check out the parts. All right, so it actually came in this little box right here, and each one is individually wrapped, and they're labeled as well. So you have the front left, front right, rear right, and rear left, which is actually pretty convenient. But the original weather stripping right here is starting to get kind of like on the backside, starting to break up a bit from just being sitting in the sun a lot. So in order to replace this, I would suggest kind of dropping the windows. So we're gonna go ahead and hop in, put the windows down first before we actually get started with this project. So we actually are going to start off with the driver's side, and this is the new part right here, and we can see that there's actually like that tab right there, which means on this one the tab's kind of like about like middle. So we're actually going to use a plastic pry tool, get underneath here and try to pop that up real quick, and you can see how much nicer this thing is compared to the old one. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get right up underneath here. They actually have these plastic pry tools on Amazon. There's going to be a link in the description down below so you guys can pick that up, but we're going to just get right up under here and pop this up. So there we go. And now that it's up, the whole back end actually just kind of broke right off. This thing is in really bad condition. This car is in Texas, so it is very, very dry and hot. But we're gonna go ahead and just lift up from here, and we're just gonna work our way down the side of the car. All right, so then when we get up here to the front, it's actually covered by the kind of window or the mirror base. So we're gonna pull it straight back, and it slides right out, and then we can take it off and then just go ahead and set that aside. And then let's go ahead and grab the new one here, and we're gonna go ahead and set it, let's see, down into place. We're gonna slide it underneath that a little bit and make sure that the little tab right there is lining up with the notch in the metal. So I actually want to slide it back just slightly. There we go. So now you can kind of see that those are lined up. And we're going to start with the front and just push down. All right, and just like that, it is installed. Now we can go ahead and do the exact same thing for the rear windows. We're just going to go ahead and use a little tool. We're going to pop all this up. And this one does have a tab on the front side and on the back side. So it looks like the front, there we go. Now we got it up. Let's just go ahead and pull all of this up and out of here. Man, this one's being really firm. All right. And we'll just work our way all the way down. And then there's the other tab right there in the back. Alrighty, now we got the back removed. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and line up, and we'll start with the back on this one. Let's see, you wanna get that lined up right there. And you wanna make sure you have the, kind of, there's like the double layer. You wanna make sure that it's going on either side of the little metal trim right back here. But we're gonna go ahead and push that down into place. And then obviously the cutout goes right here. And then you come up to the front, actually need to slide it up just a little bit. There we go, now we can push the whole thing down into place and get the front to snap in. And just like that, we just replaced the entire weather stripping on the driver's side. It's literally the same thing on the passenger side. All right, so we got all of them replaced. The windows are up, and that looks absolutely amazing. I guess this like little upper piece right here was actually like broken off on the old ones. So this is nice that it actually comes up to the glass really high and can help seal all the way down. But let me know if you guys have any questions or any other assistance with this project, because it's actually super easy. But if you guys did like the video, definitely go down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this and a lot of other how-to projects with the 2010 Toyota Corolla. It's also for like a bunch of other years, like this generation. I have a lot of other YouTube videos of this car. I have Amazon links down in the description down below for all the parts that I use. Everything is like all down there. So if you guys need help with not only the window trim, also have a roof weather stripping and then a bunch of other stuff on this car. So definitely go check out that playlist with the Toyota Corolla. And I've, like I said, a bunch of other how-to videos. But if you guys did like the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.